Alright, so you're thinking about diving into Houston's commercial real estate market. Maybe you've seen those shiny new office buildings downtown, or you're just tired of hearing someone else talk about making passive income. I get it. The idea of owning a slice of Houston? Pretty exciting. But let me be real, commercial real estate is a different beast compared to buying your first apartment or investing in stocks. We're talking about office spaces, retail centers, warehouses, properties that generate income from businesses, not just renters. First thing you need to know, location is everything. In Houston, that means understanding neighborhoods from the energy corridor to Midtown and knowing where businesses want to be. Properties near highways with easy parking or close to new developments. Yeah, those tend to do better. Next, let's talk numbers. Commercial real estate isn't about can I afford the mortgage? It's about cash flow, how much money is coming in each month versus your expenses. Lenders will look at your property's potential to make money, not just your credit score. So, brush up on terms like cap rate, NOI, and vacancy rates. These are your new best friends. And here's something nobody tells you. Commercial leases can be way longer than residential ones, sometimes 5-10 years or more. That's stability, but also responsibility. When a business moves out, it can take months to find a new tenant, so always budget for vacancies. Last thing, don't go it alone. Find a mentor. Connect with local real estate groups or team up on your first deal. Houston's a huge market, and there's enough opportunity for everyone. Bottom line, if you do your homework, play it smart, and think long-term, Houston's commercial real estate could be your best investment yet. Ready to get started?